The third question is, does depression cause memory loss?
Yes, depression
Your
does
thoughts?
cause. Yes, depression does cause memory loss. It significantly affects the declarative memory, which is the memory regarding facts and events. Uh, Memory loss could be of different forms as well, short term, long term memory losses. It sometimes also slows down the creation of nerve cells where we're unable to form new memories or recall memories as well. So, depression, yes, leads to memory loss in different ways.
Absolutely right. You have said this in a very, very concise form. If we look at memory, like you said, there are different components. The first is the initial registry. You
Mhm.
register something, something has happened to me, then the brain wants to retain that information. And finally, when the time is right, you want to recall that information.
Mhm.
With depression, there are probably problems at all three levels. One of the
Absolutely.
predominant symptoms of depression is a lack of attention and a lack of concentration.
The
So,
concentration.
if you are not able to concentrate on what's happening, then the registry or the registration of new events, new inputs, new raw materials, that is impaired. Now, what you have not registered, you will not be able to retain. Plus, like you said, there is a problem at the neuronal level, at the level of the nerve cells. Maybe the nerve cells which are required to be created to retain this information, because that genesis is impaired, because the nerve cells are not being formed, even that leads to a problem with retention. And finally,
Absolutely.
because the registration has not taken place or the retention has not taken place, you cannot recall something which you have not registered. If I'm
Yes.
working on my laptop, if I'm just typing things randomly, if I forget to save the information and I shut down my
It's still
laptop, the
listening.
next day when I open the laptop and I try and locate the document, I cannot locate it because it was never saved. So
Absolutely.
the answer to this question is a loud and resounding yes. Memory does cause problems with attention, concentration, memory, and so on.